in this tutorial, in this behind the scenes, I'm using my favorite lens, 50mm 1.4. When I focus, I do focus. I'll show you really quick. So I'm using my mirrorless, but I just focus, I want to focus on the face. So you can get the best, sharpest focuses. Try to focus on the eye. And I got multiple points too. Just like so. I'm gonna come in really close on the face too. Yes. Yeah, I like the hair like that too. That's good. Bring the flower a little closer to you. I'm going to come in close again. Yeah, these are stunning. And I always try to, like, if you're wondering what type of locations, you know, finding like flowers, you know, that's always great. You know, it kind of gives more. I just love using florals. I don't really like to photograph my models just in the greens because I feel like in raw, they start looking green. There's like a green hue. So I always want to give some type of separation. The sun is that way, so I want a little bit of light on her. So, you know, she's not anywhere, you know, super exposed with the light. Or you can have the light kind of behind, the sun's coming down. So just a few, you know, pointers when you're shooting. Cute. Okay. I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video.